Yeah.
Like a connection with God.
Yeah, it's one way of connecting with God. Any other answers?
Respecting your like deity. Somewhat.
Yeah, it's a form of devotion towards your deity. Right? And it's also an expression of worship, right? So there are many types of pujas. The one that we're going to be doing is a 16-step puja, right? There's simpler ones where we do the Panjabhisheka, where you just do the 5 basic necessities. But here we're going to, there's going to be 16 steps. So before we do the 16th step, there's some initial preparations that we have to do. The first one is lighting the lamp, right? So usually when we light the lamp, we say, what month prayer do we say to light lamps? You guys do this.
Deepa Jyoti.
Yeah. So we're going to say Deepa Jyoti, because since it's already lit, we're going to say Deepa Jyoti 3 times, okay?
Deepa Jyoti Param Brahma, Deepa Jyoti Janatana, Deepo me haratu papam, Deepa Jyoti namastute, Deepa Jyoti Param Brahma, Deepa Jyoti Janatana, Deepo me haratu papam, Deepa Jyoti namastute. Deepa Jyoti Param Brahma, Deepa Jyoti Janatana, Deepo me haratu papam, Deepa Jyoti namastute.
The next step is purification of our inner self. So the way I do it is Om Atma Tattvaya Swasta, Om Vidya Tattvaya Swasta, Om Siva Tattvaya Swasta. On your sheets, it's slightly different, so you can follow that if you want. Om Atma Tattvaya Swasta, Om Vidya Tattvaya Swasta, Om Siva Tattvaya Swasta, Om Skaivat, Om Skaivat. Okay, the next is the visualization of the Guru. Right? So for that one, we say Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sashat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. The next is the visualization of Lord Ganesha. And for that, here we have Suklam Bharadhanam Vishnu, but I'm sure that you can use Bhakratindam Mahataya as because you like that. But we'll do ours with Suklam Bharadhanam Vishnu.
Suklam Bharadhanam Vishnu, Sasivarnam Sadutpajam, Prasannavadanam Jaye, Sarva Vighnopasantare.
This is Mamopada. In Mamopada, we put the flower in our left hand and cover it with our right. Mamopada Samasta Duridakshayatpada Sri Parameshwaram Prityaktam Deva Pujam Karishye. And we offer it to God. Next we purify or we sprinkle water around us, right? And purify it. And we say Prithvi Tvaya Pitalok after that. I'm just going to say it and then Prithvi Tvaya Trita Loka Vishnuna Trita Samchadaraya Mam Devi Pavitram Kuru Sasaram. Sprinkle it around you, and also sprinkle it on the items for puja. The next is ringing the bell, and while ringing the bell, you sing Om Agamatam Devana. Agamatam Devana Gamana we do that? I think it's Gange Chayamana, right? So for that, we hold our hands above the pot of water that we use, and we're going to sing Gange Chayamana, which is also one of your prayers. And what it does is it invokes all the holy waters into that pot of water. Okay, so Gange Chayamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jaleshmin Sannidhim Kuru. So now that we've done our preparation, we're going to actually do the actual 16 steps. So the first one is invoking God within the deity that you have. So to do this, we do the following puja: Asmin Bimbe. So Asmin Bimbe Sri Devam Yayami. Asmin Bimbe Sri Devam Avahayami. So now we're going to treat, so we've invoked God within the deity, and now we're going to treat God like a guest coming into our home. And so the first thing we do is wash his feet. No, sorry, provide him with a seat. So, Om Asanam Samarpayami. Then we wash his feet. Om Padyam Samarpayami. Then we give him water to wash his hands. Om Argyam Samarpayami.
Louder, guys. I want everybody to say it. Everybody should have the papers. Sit properly, go over. Please ask everyone to move. Mugishan, sit properly. Everybody move up. Move up, move up. Why don't you move up? It's easier because people are going to come from the back, right? Okay, little kids come in the front. Everybody else move up. Okay, keep going, keep going. Everybody's paper should be out. You're saying it along with them, okay? Okay, pay attention. Okay, keep going.
Now we're going to give him water for inner purification. Om Asamaniyam Samarpayami. And we give him sweets. Om Madhupargam Samarpayami. Om, and then we're going to give him a bath. Om Snanam Samarpayami. Om Snan, and then we give him water for inner purification after the bath. Om Snananandaram Asamaniyam Samarpayami. And now we give him clothing. Usually if you have clothing, this is the time to offer it. Since this is just for demonstration purposes, we have flowers. Om Vastram Samarpayami. Om Upavidam Samarpayami. Om Abharanam Samarpayami. Now, so Upavidam is the string that many Brahmins wear, and then Abharanam is jewels. Jewelry. So if you have jewelries and whatnot, you can put it on the lady. Next we're going to put Sandanam and Kunguma. Gandhandarayami. Gandasyobari Haridra Kundu. गन्धस्योपरि हरिद्रा कुङ्कुमं समर्पयामि flowers पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि Now we're gonna give tuba. So it's for that we say Om Durga Madrapayami. Let me show the tuba. Dibam Sandarsayami. And then once we're done this, we give we give water for inner purification. Tubadibanandaram Asamaniyam Samarpayami. Now we're gonna put the flower. We're gonna feed him using the flowers. So there's 6 mantras that we say for this. Om Pranaya Swaha. Om Avanaya Swaha. Om Vyanaya Swaha. Om Udanaya Swaha. Om Samanaya Swaha. Om Brahmane Swaha. And since the fruit is underneath, we put water on the fruit and say only Naivedyam